guys, now we're going to take some fishing holder today, and we can assemble it properly. This one, all the parts. What I ordered this one. Put some screw there directly to where you're putting. You can put some in the chair, or you can put some in the tackle box. So you can try it. Get there. Okay. And that's what we need some strap. So get this one also from online, so just turn here, you can see. So this one is sample the strap. So let's try it for here. Another one. Nice. So we'll try to put some look at that. See, it's nice. But the fishing, I'll put some extra fishing rod here. You're not using some of the extra rod, and let's try to put it. Try some one. Yeah. Cast. Good. Just a nice fishing rod holder that you can put anywhere with tackle boxes, and if you want more stronger, you can use some screws putting in, and you will be good.